Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the narrator character inside the character roster. Give them a clear name like Narrator and a consistent appearance so readers recognize them. Once done, set default animations and place them in the first scene layer where they'll be visible. Make sure to choose the narrative point of view now, first person versus omniscient, because that affects dialogue tags and line placement throughout your episode. Now you wire narration into the script itself. Place narrator dialogue lines where exposition or internal thought is needed, and tag actions to match beats. Once done, sync timing using pauses, and add walks or looks so actions match spoken lines. Make sure to layer narration with scene transitions and sound cues so the pacing feels intentional. This prevents text overlap and keeps the reader oriented during quick cuts or emotional beats. Finalize by playtesting the entire episode, watching for timing issues and text overlap. You must check both mobile and web previews. If lines overlap, split long narration into shorter sentences, add pauses, or reposition the narrator off-screen briefly. Once done, validate transitions and sound levels so narration doesn't compete with effects. If things go wrong, mute overlays and test narration alone to find conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.